The American Tourister Cascade Hardside Spinner is a beautifully designed suitcase with lots of interior packing features. The carry-on measures 22 by 15 by 9.5 inches and weighs an average 7.4 pounds. This Hardside suitcase is made from lightweight ABS and has a tonal gradient film that gives the case a distinctive look. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. The Cascade Hardside has a separate zipper to expand your case for 1.5 inches of extra packing space. This case has handles on the top and side of the bag for carrying. We would have liked a bottom handle, or at least for the hard shell to be indented to help with lifting it in and out of the overhead compartment. The retractable handles maintain a streamlined profile and a cushion for comfortable holding. The telescoping handle is adjustable to 9 heights using the button on the handle. It was a pretty smooth and sturdy handle to operate, and it didn't rattle around too much at the highest setting. The 4 double spinner wheels felt securely attached to the case and are slightly recessed for protection. The wheels rolled smoothly and quietly on a variety of surfaces and manoeuvred well when changing direction. This case opens like a clamshell with 2 interior packing areas. One side of the case has compression straps to hold your clothes in place. The other compartment has a zippered divider to stop your belongings falling out when opening. There's a zippered wet pocket in the divider to stash damp or dirty items and 2 shoe pouches. There's also an accessories pocket along the spine of the case. The interior lining is a bit noisy but is easy to wipe clean, and the case includes a removable laundry bag. The double zippers run smoothly and have easy grip zipper pulls. The zippers interlace to attach your own luggage lock. Overall, the American Tourister Cascade Hardside is an attractive and sturdy case with some useful interior pockets and compartments for organisation. To complete the set, there is also a medium and large checked suitcase available in the American Tourister Cascade collection.